Hello my dear children, welcome back to science class. Today we are going to discuss safety rules which we have to follow in the playground and on the road. So what we have studied yesterday? Yes, safety rules at home and safety rules in school. Okay, let us look safety rules in the playground. Take your textbook, page number 55. Safety in the playground. Playing will be more fun if we follow some safety rules in the playground. Yes, we all like, if we are in school means we are waiting for our PT period, isn't it? So, it is playing football, cricket, etc. You all like to play. And this school ground, isn't it? Yes. So we are waiting for our PT period and playing gives us happiness, isn't it? Okay. But we have to follow some safety rules while playing. We will look what are the safety rules. Rules to be followed. Wait for your turn. Do not pull or push anyone while playing. Yes, very important thing. We have to wait for our turn. Don't push or pull others. We wait for our time. Okay. Then second point, do not play on grounds littered with nails, glass pieces or any other sharp object. Okay. Before going to the ground, we have to look if there is any broken glass pieces or nails or any sharp object is there or not. Then only we can go to the ground. If it is there means we have to vanish it from or we have to pick out from that ground and it throw. Okay, then only we have to play on the ground. Then third point, obey the rules of the games. That is important. We should obey the game's rules. Next point, never throw ball, bat, racket or other things at others. We all know these all rules, isn't it? Yes, we never throw ball or bat with others. Last point, do not play near barbed wires or thorny bushes. Barbed means മുള്ളുകളുള്ള ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള അങ്ങനെ മുള്ളുകളുള്ള ഏതെങ്കിലും പ്ലാന്റ്സോ എന്തെങ്കിലും അവിടെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്തുനിന്ന് നിന്ന് കളിക്കാതെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. These all rules we will follow in the playground. First one, yes, once more. Wait for our turn. Don't push or pull others. Second point, yes, before going to play, you have to look if any broken pieces of glass or any other sharp object is there or not. Then third point, obey the game's rules. The next one, do not throw with the bat or ball with others. Last point, do not play near barbed wires or thorny bushes. Okay. Next, safety on the road. Safety on the road. Most of the accidents takes place on the road. We must follow traffic rules on the road to avoid getting injured. Yes, we must follow traffic rules. Then we have to avoid getting injured. If we follow traffic rules means you have to avoid getting injured. Then what are the rules you have to follow on the road? First one, always walk on the footpath or on the left side of the road. You always take care that when we are walking on the road means we have to walk only on the footpath and our left side of the road. We have to walk on the left side of the road. Then second point, follow the traffic rules. Then red, okay, we all see that traffic signals, isn't it? What is the meaning of red light? Yes, it gives us stop. Then yellow light for getting ready. Then green light to go. The next one, always cross the road only at the zebra crossing. We have only zebra crossing, we have to cross the road. Next, before crossing the road, first of all we have to look our right side, then left side, then once more look right side, then only we can go to the opposite side of the road. നമ്മൾ റോഡ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ആദ്യം നമ്മുടെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ നോക്കുക, ദെൻ വെഹിക്കിളൊന്നും വരുന്നില്ല എന്ന് ഉറപ്പ് വരുത്തുക, ദെൻ വി ഹാവ് ടു ലുക്ക് അവർ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ്, എഗെയിൻ ലുക്ക് വൺസ് മോർ ദ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ്, അതിനുശേഷം മാത്രം റോഡിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് പോവുക. Then, do not put your hands or head out of a moving vehicle. That we already studied now when we are going in a school bus. Yes, never put our head or hands outside. Do not play on or near the road. This is very, very important thing. Do not play on or near the road. Then always tie the seat belts while traveling in a car. Yes, put your seat belt while traveling in a car. These all are the safety rules on the road. The first one is always walk on the footpath, left side of the road. Second one, follow traffic rules. Then traffic signals. Then yes, we have to cross the road only on the zebra crossing. Then before crossing the road we have to look first right, then left, then right, then only move to the opposite side. Next, do not put your head or hands from the moving vehicles. Then tie your seat belts while moving on the car. Then do not play on or near the roads. Okay, these are about our safety rules. Which are the safety rules studied in this lesson? First of all, safety rules at home. Second one, safety rules in the school compound as well as in the school bus. Then safety rules which we have to follow while in the playground. Okay, last one, safety rules on the road. Okay, this is all about safety rules. Next topic is first aid. Do you hear about first aid? First aid, ആദ്യം കൊടുക്കുന്ന treatment, that is first aid. The first and immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of medical help is known as first aid. Before going to the hospital or before the arrival of medical help, we have to give some first and immediate care for an injured person. That is called first aid. അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു മുറിവൊക്കെ പറ്റിയ ആളെ നമ്മൾ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് we have to give some immediate help, isn't it? Wash that wounded part, then apply some antiseptic lotion or tie it with a cotton cloth, etc. These all are called first aid. But before the arrival of medical help, we have to give some immediate help or first and immediate help to an injured person. That is known as first aid. Okay, then common steps for first aid. Avoid too many people crowding around the hurt person. നമ്മളൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ഇഫ് എനി ഇഞ്ചറീസ് എനിവൺ ഈസ് ഹാപ്പൻ ഓൺ എനി ഓഫ് മൈ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വി ഹാവ് ടു ക്രൗഡഡ്, ഇസ്ന്റ് ഇറ്റ്? അവൻ്റെ ചുറ്റിനും നമ്മൾ കൂടി നിൽക്കും. ദാറ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു അവോയ്ഡ്. ഗീവ് സം ഫ്രഷ് എയർ. ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് പോയിന്റ്, കീപ് യുവർ സെൽഫ് കാം ആൻഡ് ഡു നോട്ട് പാനിക്. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ്, മേക്ക് ദ ഇഞ്ചേർഡ് പേഴ്സൺ ഫീൽ കംഫർട്ടബിൾ. അവനെ പേടിപ്പിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കരുത്. അയ്യോ ഒത്തിരി മുറിഞ്ഞു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ് പേടിപ്പിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കരുത്. ഫീൽ ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ കംഫർട്ടബിൾ. കോൾ ഫോർ എൽഡേഴ്സ്, പാരൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് പോസിബിൾ എ ഡോക്ടർ ഇമ്മീഡിയറ്റ്ലി. After giving some first aid, we have to call our parents, elders, or if it is possible, we have to call a doctor immediately. Try to stop the bleeding from the wounds. Clean the wounded part with the Dettol. Tie a clean handkerchief on the bleeding part. We all know what happened when any injury or wound is on your finger. we have to apply some antiseptic lotion like Dettol and all, and tie it with a handkerchief or cotton cloths. Then for cuts, wash the cuts with clean water. Then wipe it with the cotton soaked in Dettol. Cover it and wrap a clean bandage over it. മുറിവാണെങ്കിൽ കട്ടായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം നമ്മൾ വാഷ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ യു ഹാവ് ടു വാഷ് വിത്ത് clean water, then wipe it with a Dettol, then tie or cover this wound with a clean cotton cloths. Next point, for bruises, apply cold water or ice on the bruised part as it will reduce the pain. Bruises means the decolorization of skin. That means chadayuga. Yes, that is bruises. For bruises, first of all, we have to apply some cold water, then ice, etc. On that bruised part. It helps to reduce the pain. Then next point, for burns, pour cold water and rub ice. Burns, we have to apply, pour some cold water and after that can apply ice. For electric shock, if the person touches a live wire or electrical appliances, switch off the main switch. Make the person lie down and keep him warm. If it is electric shock, what you have to do? Yes, you have to switch off the main switch. അല്ലാതെ ഓടിച്ചെന്ന അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഷോക്ക് കേൾക്കുന്ന ആളെ പിടിക്കരുത്, ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. You have to switch off the main switch and make the person lie down and keep him warm. In each of the above cases, consult the doctor immediately. That is an important thing. After giving the first aid, we have to call a doctor or soon after we have to go into hospital. That is an important thing. That's all about this lesson. Okay.